Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to write a beautiful gradient text in Canva application, then this video is helpful for you because in this video I will show you how you can write a beautiful gradient text like this in Canva Pro application. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, I create a new page. I can create like this, and after that I have to click on apps, and here I have to select gradient generator. After that click on search, and here you can see type gradient on the 7th number. So click on type gradient, and after that you have to write your text here. For example, I write gradient text. So after that you have to select the font whatever you want. Click on font. For example, I select this font and click on back arrow. After that you can select the alignment of your text. Otherwise you can select the line height and you can select the color of gradient. You can see here our gradient text has been added. So from here we can adjust the color of our gradient according to our choice. For example, I want to add this color. So you can see our this color on the gradient has been added. So similarly we can add this color and click on below. We can move it to the right, and here you can see blue color in the gradient is added. So it becomes like dimmer. So we have to change the font color, font of this. So I click on fonts and click on this. After that click on back, and now you can see it becomes more clear. But if we want to add more color, so click on anywhere, click on here, and from here you can adjust the color. For example, I want to select this color. After that click here, and here you can select the direction of the gradient. So you can see we have beautifully added a gradient effect in our text. So after completing the gradient you have to scroll down and click on add to design. So guys, you can see our gradient text has been added. From here you can adjust the size of the gradient. So guys, you can see we have beautifully added a beautiful gradient text in our Canva. So in this way you can add a beautiful gradient text in your Canva templates. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.